This is a Lupus awareness nail art collab, and these are the ladies that participated. Thank you, Didi, for asking me to join. So here is my design. I'm using these nail art tips. They're full cover press on nails. So I'm gonna start out with this grape purple colored acrylic, and this is from InHisEyesImQueen. I'm going to apply this acrylic onto the pinky nail and covering it completely with that grape acrylic. Now moving on to my ring fingernail, I'm going to use this covered nude that I made a while back, and on the bottom half of that nail I'm going to do an ombre fade of a purple glitter mix I have as well. And for my middle nail, I'm going to add that grape acrylic on the top half, and then on the bottom half I'm going to add the purple glitter mix I added on my ring fingernail as well. And on my index finger, I'm just gonna cover the full nail with a grape colored acrylic. On my thumbnail, I'm doing like an ombre fade in the center. I am using my nude cover acrylic, and then on the top and tip part of the nail I add purple in the bottom, and then I add the purple glitter mix on the top. So here are my nails filed and buffed. Now it's time to decorate. So I am using this Azure top coat, no wipe top coat gel, and I'm applying it to my pinky and index fingernail because I am going to add the hollow purple flakies, the Aurora irregular flakies on these nails. Here are the flakies. If you are interested in them, I will link it down below, and I do have a 10% off discount code you guys can use, and if you use it 6 or more times, Beauty Big Bang will sponsor a giveaway for you guys. So go ahead and go shopping. So I'm only going to add it to the tip part of the nails to do like a fade, and all you do is burnish it like a pigment. Now on my ring fingernail, I am going to draw a purple ribbon. I start off with a darker shade of purple for the bottom part of the ribbon, like it'll be like the shadow of the ribbon, and then for the other side of the ribbon is a lighter purple. The first snapping plate I'm going to use is BP 148, and I want to use this image of this women silhouette, and I am using their snow plates like chrome SC silver polish, and I'm just removing one side of her hair because I want to add like a butterfly wing on the other side. And the next snapping plate I am using is BP 34, and I am using this side wing of a butterfly, and I'm going to add that image onto next to the lady, next to the side of her face, and that is how it came out. With that same silver polish, I just go in and fill in some empty spaces around the butterfly and the face to connect it together. And on my thumbnail, I decided to write the words cure lupus. So I start off with writing cure going horizontally and then going vertically. Using that same U from the word cure, I wrote the words lupus going down. And I also decided to draw in some little swirls around the wording. And with a small dotting tool, I just went in and added some dots here and there on some of the nails. And here is my finished look. Like always, I have to add some bling bling to the nails to make it sparkle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will leave a link down below to the other ladies that participated as well. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.